My child was bit by a local dog. Is there anything I can do? Or asked a different way, my dog bit a local child. Do I need to worry? Come on in and we'll try to answer your question. Hi, I'm Scott Peterson. I'm a plaintiff's litigation attorney in Saratoga Springs, New York. And today we're talking about animal attacks. Now, when we talk about domestic animals, we typically mean dogs. And when we talk about dogs, it's important to understand that the law in New York is somewhat different as applied to owners of domestic animals or dogs in particular. Essentially what the law says is that if your dog has a vicious propensity, you are strictly responsible if that dog were to bite anyone. Or if you're the victim and a dog bit you that had previously displayed a vicious propensity, that owner might be responsible towards you. So what is a vicious propensity? Well, it's changed over the years, and it used to mean that the dog got one free bite at the apple. What I mean by that is, the law used to say that if a dog had never bitten anyone previously, it couldn't be responsible for that first bite. It's changed somewhat now, and if a dog has displayed signs of severe aggression or viciousness, the owner could be held responsible. So if your child were bit by a neighborhood dog, there's some things you want to think about. Had that dog ever bitten anyone before? Did that dog display signs of aggression? Severe barking, pulling at a chain, attacking other dogs? These are all the kinds of questions you're going to want to ask if your family member has been bit. And these are things that if people come to us with these kinds of concerns and these kinds of cases that we look into. And there are ways to find out. We have ways to get vet records, which sometimes show owners' concerns about a dog's vicious behavior. We've also found that talking to neighbors can be very helpful, because they've often seen things that you haven't. And now one of the concerns that people have is typically animal attacks happen in a neighborhood, and you know the person who owns the dog. And people are hesitant to bring a lawsuit or pursue any kind of claim against the owner. And I'm not here to tell you what to do and what not to do. One thing you should remember, though, is that typically there's insurance involved. And if you were to bring a claim, the individual's homeowner's insurance is typically going to be providing some sort of coverage for that. If you have questions about an animal attack or insurance issues, please feel free to give us a call. We answer questions from people like you all the time, and we're always happy to do it.